How to fix 100% disk usage on Windows 10 or Windows 11. So in order to fix this issue, firstly we will go to Windows and search services.msc and open up the services. From here we will search for sysmin. Here you can see the sysmin. Right click on the services and go to properties, and from here select the startup type to disabled, and also change the service status from running to stop, and click on apply and click on OK. After this, search for another service, that is connected device platform service. Select the service and go to properties, and from here select the startup type from automatic to disabled, and also make sure to stop the service status and click on apply and click on OK. Just to make sure things, disabling these two services will not do any harm to your computer system or your properties. After this, go to your PC, open up your drive, right click on your system drive or drive C, go to tools, and from here go to optimize and defragment drive and select optimize. And here we need to change the schedule optimization value, so simply tap on change settings and uncheck the run on a schedule or the optimization schedule and click on OK. And after that, go to your task manager, go to startup app, and from here make sure that the only unwanted apps are disabled. Right click on the app that you want to disable and you would be able to find the disable option. Simply tap on disable and the app will be disabled on startup. And the next thing that we should be doing is updating our Windows to the latest Windows update. Go to Windows and search for Windows Update Settings. Open up the Windows Update Settings, and from here make sure that you're up to date with the latest Windows update. If you're not, simply tap on check for updates, and it will take some time for you to download the latest Windows update and simply install it, and you might be able to solve your problem. So these are some of the fixes for 100% disk usage on Windows 10 or Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment. Thank you.